explore the cat kite rule. In the cat kite rule, we learn which letter, C or K, is used to spell the K sound at the beginning of a word. This rule tells us that C takes A, O, and U, and K takes the other two. Let's do some examples. I'm going to do C words and K words. So, of course, our example, cat and kite. So under C, words that are followed by an A, O, or U, like caught, or cut, or cob. K is followed by E or I, just like in the word kept, or ken, or kin, or kid. Now, this rule also translates into blends. So when I'm talking about a blend, I'm talking about a consonant blend, or two consonants side by side that each make their own sound. So a blend that they both share is the sk sound. So we have SC can spell and SK. How to know which one to use? Again, we would look at the vowel. However, all of the other blends that we see in English will always be spelled with the letter C. So we have sk, skr, it's going to be a C, cr, C, kl, it's going to be a C. We're focusing more on the beginning of a word right now, but just do want to note that also kt, which happens at the end of a word, would also be spelled with a C. Let's look at some examples here. In the word scan, or scrap, or act, or clam. For K, we'd have words like skit or skip. Now, I don't like using the word rules. I refer to these usually as generalizations or spelling patterns because there are usually always some exceptions. Some exceptions to this rule include the word skunk, skate, and skull. Can you think of any more?